I thought playing small was safe, but I didn't realize the real cost. It cost me opportunity. It cost me peace. It cost me money. It cost me relationships in years I will never get back. See, you think that you're protecting yourself, but what you're really doing is postponing purpose. This is why shrinking hurts more than falling. God didn't create you to dim your light. He created you to shine so that others can see him through you. Here's what playing safe looked like in my life. I stayed in low paying roles because I didn't think I was ready for more. I wouldn't raise my prices or pitch my services. I delayed launching my programs, my books, and my podcast. I apologized when I succeeded. I avoided certain rooms because I didn't want to intimidate others. I was afraid of judgment, so I chose invisibility. But then I realized playing small doesn't keep you safe, it keeps you stuck. And Matthew 25 is one of my favorite verses, favorite books, actually. Matthew, period. But Matthew 25 and 14, we're going to focus in on that a little bit today. So bear with me, but this is one of my absolute favorites. It has so many rich nuggets in it, right? Aha moments that helps us to understand why playing small is not playing safe. So Matthews 25 and 14, it says, again, it will be like a man going on a journey who called his servants and entrusted him with his wealth. To one he gave 5 bags of gold, to another 2 bags, and to another 1 bag, each according to his ability. Then he went on his journey. The man who had received 5 bags of gold went at once and put the money to work and gained 5 more bags. So also the one with 2 bags of gold gained 2 more. But the man who received 1 bag went off, dug a hole in the ground, and hid his master's money. After a long time, the master of those servants returned and settled accounts with them. The man who had received 5 bags of gold brought the other 5. Master, he said, you entrusted me with 5 bags of gold. See, I have gained 5 more. His master replied, well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness. The man with the 2 bags of gold also came. Master, he said, you entrusted me with 2 bags of gold. See, I have gained 2 more. His master replied, well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with few things. I will put you in charge of many. Come and share your master's happiness. The man who had received 1 bag of gold came. Master, he said, I knew you are a hard man, harvesting where you have not sown and gathering where you have not scattered seed. So I was afraid, and I went out and I hid your gold in the ground. See, here is what belongs to you. His master replied, you wicked, lazy servant. So you knew that I harvest where I had not sown and gathered where I have not scattered seed? Well, then, you should have put my money on deposit with the bankers so that when I return, I would have received it back with interest. So take the bag of gold from him and give it to the one who had 10 bags. For whoever has will be given more, and they will have abundance. Whoever does not have, even what they have been given, taken from them. Whoever does not have, even what they have, will be taken from them. And throw the worthless servant outside in the darkness, where there will be weeping and garnishing of teeth. Don't bury what God gave you to build with. See, here's some lessons from the trauma-informed girl. The trauma-informed girl believed being quiet meant being accepted. She believed that if she took too much space, she would be rejected. So she became excellent at shrinking. But when I began recovering, I learned that visibility isn't vanity. It's victory over silence. Now I stand in rooms I used to run from. I speak with the voice I once hid, and I don't apologize for being anointed. Our spiritual reflection today comes from 2 Timothy 1:6. Fan into flame the gift of God, which is in you. You weren't given that gift to keep it in a box. You were born to blaze trails, to be bold, to build, to lead. Don't let fear shrink what God placed in you to expand. Our call to action, I'm asking you this week, and don't forget your journaling. What have I been hiding that God told me to increase? Ask yourself, where have I dimmed my light to protect someone else's comfort? If you're ready to stop shrinking and step into your full calling, check out the Kingdom Wealth Vault under education. It's your time. I want to leave you with a word of encouragement. See, you are not too much. You are just right for the purpose you were born to fulfill. Stop waiting for permission to shine. In our closing affirmation, I want you to say to yourself, say it out loud. I no longer shrink to fit systems I was sent to transform. I am divinely resourced and unapologetically assigned. My boldness is a blessing to others. I refuse to play small in a kingdom built for greatness. Remember, we are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.